Good morning students, this is our first lecture and we are starting with EVS 1 chapter number 1, the life cycle of animals. In this chapter we are going to study how animals take place, how the changes take place in animals from first stage till last stage, and also each and every animal has to face the same changes. Following is a video, you will kindly understand how the changes in the animals take place. Kindly look at the video.
Standard 4 Environmental Studies. Chapter number 1 The Life Cycle of Animals. Can you tell? Look at the picture and tell me, do you see some similarities in puppies and their mother, the butterfly and the caterpillar that has come out of the egg?
Yes, puppies look similar to their mother with skin tone and their body parts. But I won't see any similarity between the butterfly and the caterpillar that has come out of the egg.
Very good. Now, can you tell? A hen lays eggs and chicks come out of those eggs. Do kittens come out of eggs?
No, kittens grow in their mother's tummy and they born from the mother's tummy.
That's right. Very good. The growth of animals. A kid and fully grown goat are not very different to look at. There is not much difference between a kitten and an adult cat. These babies grow in their mother's tummy and are born from the mother's tummy too. These animals do not lay eggs, but some animals lay eggs born from an egg. Ants, butterflies, fish, frogs, snakes are all animals that lay eggs. But we do not often see their eggs. The eggs of some very small animals are very tiny. We would hardly notice them. So, we do not come to know that these animals lay eggs. But we know for sure that a hen lays eggs. Her eggs are big enough to be easily seen. A chicken is born from an egg. A hen lays eggs. Warmth is necessary for the chicks to grow inside the egg. So, after laying them, the hen sits on the eggs to keep them warm. The chicks inside slowly keep growing. When its growth is complete, the chicks break the eggshell and comes out. The hen looks after its chicks till they grow a little bigger. Do you know? When a hen is hatching her eggs, she becomes aggressive for fear of their safety. She attacks anyone who tries to go near the eggs. What are the similarities between the hen and her chick? Yes, they look similar to their mother with their body parts. There are similarities between a goat and its kid, and between a hen and her chick. However, a caterpillar and a butterfly are very different. Thus, in some animals, the young one grows into an adult animal that looks very different from the young one. This change of form is called metamorphosis. Metamorphosis in a butterfly. Butterflies of various shapes and beautiful colors are a part of our environment. They live in their life among plants. As butterflies grow, they pass through 4 stages. These are egg, larva, pupa, and adult. The adult stage is called butterfly. The plain tiger butterfly is a very common one. Let us take its example to see how the growth of butterfly takes place. New term, mold. To shed old skin to make way for new growth. Metamorphosis in a butterfly. The female plain tiger butterfly lays eggs on a milkweed. That means rui leaf. In 6 to 8 days, the larva emerges from the egg. larva of butterfly is called a caterpillar. When the caterpillar comes out of the egg, it is very hungry. It begins to nibble and eat the very leaf on which it emerged from the egg. It eats very fast, so its growth is very rapid. Again, it begins to gobble up the leaf and continues to grow rapidly. In 2 or 3 days, it molts a second time. In this way, it molts 4 times. It remains in the caterpillar stage for 10 to 12 days. After the 4th molt, the caterpillar goes into the next stage. This is a pupa stage. The pupa stage of a butterfly is called a chrysalis. It has a protective case at this stage. This case is also called a chrysalis. It remains inside a chrysalis for the next 11 or 12 days. It doesn't eat anything during this stage. However, inside the chrysalis, important changes take place in its body. For example, its legs grow longer. It gets attractive rings. Its growth is completed inside the chrysalis. Then, the adult butterfly emerges from the chrysalis. All butterflies go through these stages of growth. Do you know? The caterpillar of the plain tiger butterfly grows so rapidly in the first 2 or 3 days that it doesn't fit in its skin anymore. But under the old skin, a new loose skin is formed on the growing caterpillar. Then the caterpillar sheds the old skin. That is, it molts. Do you know? Well, children, do you know for each type of butterfly, the type of plants on whose leaves its female will lay eggs is fixed? The larva take to emerge from the eggs is different for different type of butterflies. There is great variety in caterpillars. Different types of caterpillars are of different colors. Their body is long. Many types of caterpillars are hairy. Do you know? After we have picked the grain we buy, we store it in a box. Even then, when we open the box after some days, we may see some insects in it. There can be insects in places like grain warehouse, in the grocer's shop, or even in our homes. Now, if a female insect lays eggs in this grain, we cannot see them because of their tiny size. The warmth and air they get in the box in which the grain is stored is enough for them to grow. So, their growth continues inside the box. They also have the stages of growth, namely egg, larva, pupa, and adult. When we open the box, we see the insects at the different stages of the growth in which they are. What we have learned. A hen sits on her eggs to hatch them. The fully grown chicks break the eggshell and comes out. Egg, caterpillar, that means larva, chrysalis, that means pupa, and the adult are the 4 stages of the life cycle of the butterfly. The plain tiger butterfly lays its eggs on the leaves of the milkweed plant. The larva emerges from the egg. It is called the caterpillar. When the growth of the caterpillar is complete, it enters the pupa stage, in which it lives inside the chrysalis. The adult butterfly emerges from the chrysalis. It has 6 long legs and attractive wings.